You got your foundation on, but blemishes, marks, and unwanted scars are coming through your foundation. Never to worry. In this video, we're going to cover that up with Color Corrector. Hey guys, this is Lulu from Ground Zero Beauty and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to discuss Color Corrector and its purpose, the different color correctors, and I'm going to demonstrate a color corrector of my own on my own skin. First, Color Corrector is used after primer but before foundation. Its purpose is to neutralize any skin imperfection and marks so that it doesn't show through your foundation. Color Corrector can hide acne scars, hyperpigmentation, excessive redness, freckles, bruises, fine line wrinkles, dark circles, etc. There are different types of color correctors. They each have a purpose. Green color corrector is used to neutralize intense redness on all skin tones. Yellow color corrector is used to neutralize mild redness on all skin tones. Purple color corrector is used to neutralize dark circles and brightens dullness on medium colored skin. Pink color corrector is used to neutralize dark circles and brightens dullness on light colored skin. Orange color corrector is used to neutralize dark circles and dark marks on dark and deep skin tones. Red color corrector is used to neutralize dark circles on deep colored skin. Peach color corrector is used to neutralize dark circles on light to medium skin tones. In my instance, I use the orange color corrector. This is the one that I use, or by LA Girl, either one. In my instance, I use the orange color corrector because my skin is dark to deep. I'm not very deep, but I'm in that skin tone range. In my instance, I deal with deep marionette shadows and lines from my malocclusion. So I apply orange color corrector around my mouth area. Sometimes I apply a red blush that serves as a color corrector under my eyes when I feel like my malar bags are malarkeying. I apply some to any prominent acne scars, and now my face is ready for foundation. Let me show you how I use this. Okay, so I'm going to use these two products. This is red blush, but it's going to serve as a red color corrector. They're going to operate in the same way. Let me show you the consistency. So this is just blush, something that you would put on your face as blush, you know, on the cheeks. So I'm going to use this as a color corrector, and I'm also going to use the orange color corrector, which I use every single day. Now, before applying color corrector, you want to apply your primer. So first, my face is moisturized. That's all. Only moisturizer on my face right now. I have no foundation or anything on, so I'm not gonna go through the whole wiping my face down. I only have one moisturizer right now. So right now I'm going in with the primer, and today I'm just gonna use just a primer. This is from Ulta Beauty. This is their hydrating face primer. So just something to use. I'm not gonna get technical. This is just a primer. Okay, so I'm just priming my face. And again, I have dark, deep skin tones. I'm brown skin, so I'm gonna use the colors that will apply to me. Obviously, if you're a different skin tone than me, you're gonna use the other colors that we mentioned. So the way I use the orange color corrector for any hyperpigmentation, and I don't know if it's showing on camera, but the way I usually notice my hyperpigmentation is around my mouth area. Like I said, the marionette lines is usually right here. And sometimes it shows up dark, but you know, I have been taking care of my skin, so it don't show up like it used to, but I still use a color corrector. So what I will do is, after priming, I'll apply it here. As you can see, the orange coming through. And if you could also see, I have like hyperpigmentation from my mouth line here. I will blot that out. I also sometimes, but I like to cover this dimple area. It's unnecessary. I know it makes me who I am, but whatever. Okay, so then I hit up this side and also this side. Now, after putting on the color corrector, I take a brush. You see, I use this all the time, it's orange. And I blend it out so that when I put on my foundation, any of those lines, that hyperpigmentation is not going to come through the foundation. That's how I do around my mouth area. If there was gonna be any like marks on my face that I would use this, let's just say for instance right here. And here. That's what I would do with the color corrector. Now, if I was gonna use the red, which I don't normally use the red color corrector, but just for the purposes of demonstration, I am going to put this under my eye. So I don't have a brush for this today, so y'all gotta watch me do something stupid like this. Okay, I'm gonna use my knuckle, take some product, and I will put this under my eye. What this does is, again, the red color corrector is for dark circles, where I don't really have dark circles under my eye, but I do have shadows from these malar bag lines accumulating under my eye. So in the instance that I want to like really try to hide them, I will put the red under. It's sort of like covering up a bruise. I mean, there's nothing that you really can do to put on your face as far as makeup to get rid of lines, but to mask the appearance of them, you could put the red. And now I look like a coloring book. So do you see already, before I put the foundation on, do you see how the color corrector took the lines from being visible, like obviously visible, to taking them and kind of putting them in the background of your face? So that's the idea that I'm trying to get to you about color corrector. Now I'm gonna go get a foundation because I forgot to bring one down. I'm gonna go get a foundation so that you can see how nothing is gonna come through under the foundation. Not even the red, not the orange. It's not gonna come through. Also, your blemishes are not gonna come through. So I'm gonna go get the foundation. I went to go get a foundation. We're just gonna use today the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And let's get her on. And yes, I do cover my Michael Jackson dimple. You good? You good? You good? I'm good. We good. You see what I'm talking about? You see how nothing is coming through that foundation? Now, when you put on foundation just by itself without color correcting, you do get everything coming through, because the foundation, especially if it's not full coverage, the foundation isn't going to conceal things. That's why you have color corrector, concealer, and foundation. I'm sorry if I'm looking up because I'm looking in the viewfinder to see what I'm doing to my face. So if this is a weird angle, I'm sorry, but okay, I'm gonna take it through here. And sisters, now I'm wearing foundation, as you can see, on my lower half of my face, the upper half. You ain't need to see that. But yeah. Now you do not see any blemishes, hyperpigmentation showing through my foundation. All you see is my face, my foundation, my lip gloss. That's all you see. Do you see any marks? Do you see any of those marionette lines? You don't see that. You don't see that because I color corrected. Okay, I corrected the color. Okay, nobody needs to see all of the bruises, the black eyes that you're trying to cover, any acne marks, all of that. Like, okay, let's say for instance, I don't know if I have any. I'm telling y'all, I take good care of my skin, y'all. I'm gonna get y'all there, but we gotta work with the makeup and stuff. Okay, I mean, I don't know. I don't have any to show you. Why? Because I'm glorious like that. But no. If you have any marks that you want to cover and you realize you're putting on your foundation and it's still showing through, color correct. I will link some color correctors in the description box for you to try and work on concealing any dark marks that's too evident for foundation alone. Now we have an order for those of you who've been following me, which is moisturizer, primer, now color corrector, foundation. Stay tuned for more steps. See you later. Do it.